Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you about time and work. Chapter 13, Time and Work. Any work taking time. So, in this topic, some important things is note 1, note 1. If A can finish a piece of work, if A can finish a piece of work in n day, if A can finish a piece of work, if A can finish a piece of work in n days, then age one day's work equal to 1 by n. Note it. If A can finish a piece of work in n days, then age 1 day's work equal to 1 by n. Second note, if 1 by n work, if 1 by n work is done by A, if 1 by n work is done by A in 1 day, if 1 by n work is done by A in 1 day, then total time taken by A equal to n day. Next term is pipe and cistern. Students, pipe fills and empties the cistern. So there are two types of pipe. One is inlet and other is outlet. So inlet and outlet, pipe and cistern. First inlet, other is outlet. Students, inlet, the pipe which fills the cistern. The pipe which fills the cistern is called inlet. Other, outlet, the pipe empties the cisterns. The pipe empties the cistern is called outlet. Now, if note also, if pipe A can fills a cistern in n hours, then pipe A's 1 hour's work equal to 1 by n. Note 2, if 1 by n cistern is filled by A in 1 day, then total time taken by A, then total time taken by pipe equal to n hours. If pipe outlet empties the tank in m hours, then outlets 1 hour's work, then outlets 1 hour's work equal to minus 1 by m. Students, note here, if inlet fills a cistern in n hours, then inlet's 1 hour's work equal to 1 by n. Next, if outlet empties the cistern in m hours, then outlet's 1 hour work is minus 1 by m. Now, inlet and outlet's 1 hour's work equal to 1 by m. 1 by m minus 1 by m. Right and understand? Right? Students, now solve some important example of time and work. One example written on this board is example 1. A alone can finish a piece of work in 12 days, and B alone can finish it in 15 days. If both of them work at it together, how much time will they take to finish it? So, A can finish a piece of work in 12 days. So, A's 1 day's work. A's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 12. A's 1 day's work 1 by 12. And V alone can finish it in 15 days. So V's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 15. Now, if both of them work at it together, so A plus B is 1 day's work. 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. 12 5 the 60. 5 and 15 4 the 60. Plus 4. 5 plus 4 9 by 60. 1 divided by 3. 3 3 the 9 and 23 the 60 equal to 3 by 20. Here 3 by 20 work is done by A plus B in 1 day. So total time taken. Therefore, total time taken by A plus B. 3 by 20 change into 20 by 3. So equal to 20 by 3 days. Now 20 by 3 days means 3 6 are 18, 6 whole, 2 by 3 days. Answer. Understand and write it. Means next question is example 2. In example 2, A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days. While B alone can finish it in 30 days. In how many days can A alone finish the work. So A and B, that means A plus B together. A plus B is 1 day's work. A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days. So A plus B is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 12. 1 by 12. Now V alone. So V alone can finish it in 30 days. So V is 1 day's work. V is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 30. Now here we have to find in how many days can A alone finish the work. So A is 1 day's work. A is 1 day's work. That means 1 by 12 is the A plus B is 1 day's work. And 1 by 30 is the B is 1 day's work. By subtraction, find A is 1 day's work. So 1 by 12 minus 1 by 30. LCM of 12 and 30 is 60. 12 5 is 60. So 5 minus 32 is 60. So 2. 5 minus 2 equal to 3 by 60. 23 is 60 equal to 1 by 20. So 1 by 20 work is done by A alone. So therefore total time taken by A equal to 1 by 20. Change into 20 by 1. So 20 days. Understand and write it. Friends, next question is question number 6. It is related on pipes and cistern. Example 6. A tape A can fill a cistern in 4 hours, and the tape B can empty the cistern in 6 hours. If both the taps are opened together in the empty cistern, in how much time will the cistern fill up? Friends, tape A can fill a cistern in 4 hours. So tape A is 1 hour. Tape A is 1 hour's work equal to 1 by 4. And the tape B can empty the cistern in 6 hours. So tape B 1 hour but if B empties the cistern, so minus 1 by 6. Now if both the taps are opened together in the empty cistern, so tape A plus B, tape A plus B is 1 hour's work equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Now solve it. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. 4 3 are 12 and 6 2 are 12 equal to 1 by 12. So take A plus B is 1 hour work is 1 by 12. So therefore total taken time tape A plus B total taken time tape A plus B equal to 1 by 12 change into 12. So 12 hours. Answer. Students, today homework is solve examples of exercise 13A. Thank you. That's all.